everyone, welcome to Cooking with Keri. Tonight we're going to make a Thai chicken wrap with peanut sauce. First of all, what we're going to do is start with our pan. We've already slightly heated it. It's nice and deep artisan pan, and we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I love to use coconut oil. Okay, that's definitely more than 1 tablespoon, but coconut oil is excellent for your cooking. It's nutritious for you, and I love the way it adds flavor to my recipes. So we're going to cover that and make sure that we've got lots of coverage. Okay, I'm going to take some of that out now, because we don't need all of it. Maybe we will for later. Put that to the side. Pan is nice and ready. And now we're going to add our chicken. Now I've already sliced this up into bite-sized pieces. And with our family, what I do is 1 chicken breast per person, and then I always do 1 extra. So we have a family of 4, so I have 5 chicken breasts, all sliced up there into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to spread that out a little bit. And we're going to let this cook all the way through. But as it's cooking through, I'm also going to put the spices on now. All right. So the first spice we put on is garlic. We put on 1 teaspoon of garlic seasoning. 1 teaspoon of onion seasoning. And 1 teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. Okay, and now we're just going to stir it all up and let it all mix in together. Until everything looks like it's mostly covered with those spices. Okay, and now I'm going to spread it out again and let that chicken get cooked all the way, fully cooked. Okay, so as your chicken is cooking, what you're going to make is the peanut sauce now. In the pan, I've already got a 1/4 cup of peanut butter and 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to now add a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and then I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of oil. And I'm using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you'd like. And then I'm also putting in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And the last ingredient you're going to put in is 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now I'm out of garlic, and so what I'm going to use is actually use my dry garlic. It's not going to taste quite as wonderful, and because I don't have fresh minced garlic, I'm going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of dry garlic. Okay, we're going to go back to our chicken here. Keep on cooking our chicken, and what we're going to do is we're going to stir this peanut sauce, and we're going to keep on stirring it until the sugar and everything dissolves. So that's what it looks like inside my pan right now. And then we'll go on to the next stage. Okay, our peanut sauce is just about done. It's getting nice and warm. I've been cooking it at medium, and I'm now going to turn it down to low, so continue cooking. The chicken is, all the pink is gone on both sides, and now it's time to add the minced ginger. So you add 1 teaspoon of minced ginger to that, and give it a good stir. Oh, you can hear the peanut sauce starting to bubble there, which means we are done with that. I'm glad I turned it down to low. And now we're going to add red onion. So I take my mandolin, I have my special gloves on here, and I'm going to slice up one medium red onion. All right. Now that everything is just about done, we're going to give the red onion just a few minutes here to soak in. Oh, look at that fun color. And as soon as I know my peanut sauce is done, I can add the next ingredients. Yep. And I can get a look at that peanut sauce there. It's thickened up a little bit, and it's going to be awesome to go on top. Okay, so I'm going to remove that from the heat. And this is broccoli slaw. You can buy it I buy it at Walmart or at No Frills. Those are the two grocery stores and Sobeys in our town. You can take a whole package of that and dump that on top. Okay, so now that it's all spread out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pan over top of that and just let it cook for another 5 minutes until the broccoli is nice and soft. Okay, this has now been cooking for 3 to 4 minutes. You can see that the broccoli is nice and cooked. The onion is soft in there. We're going to give it a good mix up. And then the way you serve this one pan dish is by tortilla shell. I like to put rice down, then I put this on top and drizzle with that peanut sauce. It is a delicious one pan recipe that our family loves to eat, and hope you enjoy it too.